52-inch SMC Laguna in polished brass. This fan is actually new in the box and is for sale on eBay. I have two of these fans. I have this one and I have one in antique brass. The only thing with the polished brass one is the only things that are missing from this fan are the tassel for the pull chain and the rubber yoke for the polished brass one. This rubber yoke I'm borrowing off of the antique brass fan for demonstration purposes, but this fan will not have the rubber yoke included with the sale, and I will make sure to notate that as well on the listing. This fan will be listed at a lowered price due to that fact, but it is fully functional. Go ahead and start it up on high. Very quiet as well, no SMC bearing noise that we all know and love. It does wobble a little bit, but again, that's pretty typical of these fans. Fairly good air mover. It's medium. And low. The fan will be sent out in its original box. If you want me to put it in a different box, I can do that. It'll be a little more money though. And I do have all the original packaging here, so I will ship it off with all of that. That is also the original beehive canopy. I just didn't put it on for demonstration purposes, but it will be included in the sale. And low speed is actually pretty nice on this fan. Go ahead and shut it off. Throw it in reverse here. Make sure you guys know that that works. Like I said, everything works on it. We'll go ahead and slow it down here so we can kind of give you a more in-depth look at it. There is some storage rash on it, like here. I can imagine that will buff out. Blade badges and blades are absolutely immaculate. Overall, still in very nice shape. Definitely will need a little bit of cleaning, but nothing too involved. And should definitely make a nice fan for somebody. And that's all, folks. Thanks for watching, and thank you for your interest if you got here by the eBay listing. Over and out.